Here I have BLACKVIEW BV9000 and let me show you how to activate the Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the upper bar, just slide twice to open it fully, and then you will notice Do Not Disturb mode icon, the one with moon, so just click on it. And now you can select the mode of the DND mode. So it can be either total silence, and it will block all sounds and vibration, including from alarms, music, videos and games. You will still be able to make phone calls. Then you can pick alarms only, so everything except alarms will be muted, and then priority only, and here you won't be disturbed by sounds and vibration except from alarms, reminders, events and colors you specify. And here you can also select the period of time on which this mode should be active, or you can pick the first option, which is until you turn this off, so you will have to switch off this option by yourself. If you will pick more settings over here, you will be able to set priority only allows, so the first tab, and here you can pick the allows, the options that will be active while priority only mode is on, so you can switch off reminders. Then you can allow messages from anyone, from contacts only, from start contacts only, or from none of above. So let me pick from contacts only, and then you can do exactly the same thing for this mode about calls, so that calls. And then, for example, let me pick from start contacts only. And finally, in this priority only mode, you can activate repeat callers option. So if the same person will call you a second time within a 15-minute period of time, it will allow this call, so you will hear it and you will be able to answer it. So let's go back. Then you can set some automatic rules over here. So for example, it can be weekend, weeknight, event. You can add your rule, just tap on plus, pick time rule, enter the name, for example hard, from hard reset, and then select the days on which DND mode should be active. So it will be Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or maybe Friday. Then tap on done. And then select the period of time, so you have to set up start time and end time. So let me pick start time, it can be 11, okay, so it will be midnight, and then end time around 6 o'clock. So from now on, every time on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Friday, DND mode will be automatically activated between midnight and 6 o'clock next day. You can also pick alarms can override the end time, so just click on it, and from now on the alarms will be allowed even though DND mode is on. So let's go back. You can obviously, let's go to automatic rules one more time. You can obviously delete some rules by tapping on the bin icon. Just bin and delete. And finally, you can also block visual disturbances if you want to, so just click on this option, and now you can block when screen is on or block when screen is off. You can select one from the following options or both of them altogether. So that's it. Now you can easily protect your focus. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.